You've heard of 30-minute meals. But what about a 3-second dessert?
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Ismail and Jasonara, and today we love to present you a snack that brings more than just flavor, it brings joy. Let's talk about Oreo. Oreo the snack, it's a moment.
Before we begin, let us ask you something. Have you ever had one of those days when everything just feels a little too much? Deadline piling up, constant notification, back-to-back activities, it can get too overwhelming. In moments like that, what we often need is a small, joyful escape, even just for a few minutes. Something simple, quick, and comforting. And for many people, the answer is snacks. Not just any snacks, but one that delights the taste buds, boosts the mood, and maybe even brings back warm memories. So this brings us to the main question of our presentation today. What kind of snack that can give you all that and more? Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to introduce a timeless favorite, a global icon, and a little bite of happiness. And it's Oreo.
Oreo journey began over a century ago in the early 90s when the American biscuit industry was thriving. Here's how it all started. Oreo was introduced by Nabisco in 1912, making its debut in New York. Originally, it was created as a competitor to the Hydrox cookie, which had been enjoying some popularity. Despite this rivalry, Oreo quickly distinguished itself with its unique design and taste. What set Oreo apart was its iconic structure. Two chocolate wafer with a luscious sweet cream filling in between. This design not only made it easy to recognize, but also gave rise to playful ritual or twist like them. Over time, this simple act became a beloved tradition, commenting Oreo place in the heart of cookie lovers. While maintaining its classic appeal, the brand introduced various limited edition flavors and creative companions that resonate with a global audience. This marketing effort transformed Oreo from just another cookie into a cultural icon celebrated for a timeless charm and playful spirit. This background not only highlights how Oreo has remained a staple in snack islands for over 100 years, but also underscores the brand's successful blend of tradition and innovation. It's this rich history and consistent evolution that make Oreo a fascinating story to tell, right from its humble beginning to becoming a global icon.
Today, Oreo is part of Mondelez International, a leading global snack company based in Chicago, Illinois. Mondelez manages a wide portfolio of beloved snack brands across more than 550 countries. Under Mondelez, Oreo has continued to grow not only through global distribution but also through constant innovation, limited edition flavor, and creative marketing campaigns. This strong support has helped Oreo stay relevant across the generation and culture. Mondelez also empowers Oreo's localization strategy, adapting its flavors and advertisement to match regional preference, such as green tea in Asia or dulce de leche in Latin America. With Mondelez's global strength and modern approach, Oreo has evolved from a classic cookie into a versatile, trend-driven, and emotionally resonant global brand.
In our easy routine, we all crave a little treat, something quick, simple, and sweet to lift our mood. Ever feel like you just need a moment to escape the stress of the day? That's where the right snack can make a big difference. Oreo offered the perfect of both chocolate and sweet creamy, but in a fun experience, it's with time. Whether you enjoy it alone or with others, it always brings smile and a moment of playful indulgence. Oreo keeps things exciting with a wide range of flavors, from original and golden to peanut butter, mint, lemon, and birthday cake. And let's not forget about limited edition like red velvet or special collabs like Saturday. They're truly an Oreo for everyone.
Oreo isn't just a snack, it's a global favorite. From lunchbox to late night craving, from birthday parties to study breaks, Oreo has found its way into people live in the most delightful ways. What makes it so special is the perfect balance between the bold, slightly bitter chocolate cookie and that sweet, creamy filling in the middle, a taste that instantly recognizable, comforting, and surprisingly addictive. Of course, the flavor. Oreo has come for beyond just the original. Whether you like things a little minty, peanut buttery, fruity, and even cake inspired, there's an Oreo for you. They create limited edition, wild combination, and even rich in specially flavor, and somehow it's always work. But Oreo success isn't just about taste, it's about the brand continues to stay relevant, connect with audience, and relevant itself while staying true to the choice is always over. Let's dive into what makes Oreo such a timeless brand, not just through its product, but also its marketing, its audience, and the experience it brings to everybody. People describe Oreo as a delicious snack with a perfect balance of a flavor and texture. The creamy center, the chocolate crunch. It's a combo that creates a royal fantasy. Many call it their ultimate favorite snack.
Oreo's marketing is bold and creative. Campaigns like Oreo Daily Twist and Wonder Bell went viral. They collaborate with pop culture giants like the Avengers and Supreme, and use playful packaging and social media to stay close to Gen Z and millennials.
Oreo is not only known for its iconic taste and playful branding, but also for its creative and engaging public campaign that consistently capture global attention. One of its most memorable efforts was the Oreo Daily Twist campaign in 2012, where the brand released 100 unique cookie designs over 100 days, each reflecting daily news or cultural moments. From the Olympics to space exploration, this campaign celebrates Oreo's 100th anniversary and highlighted its ability to stay socially aware, fun, and connected with the times. Another standout was the Oreo Wonderful, a real-life pop-up experience where fans enter a tunnel like vault to discover new Oreo flavor in a whimsical, magical settings. This was followed by the hugely viral Oreo X Supreme collaboration in 2020, where limited edition red Oreo with the Supreme logo sold out instantly and were even resold for up to $90 a pack. This campaign showed that Oreo isn't just a snack, it's a part of trend culture, able to cross into fashion, art, and experience-based marketing. Oreo also understands the power of digital platform. With campaigns like the hashtag #OreoDunk Challenge, the brand encouraged users to post creative dunking videos, gaining viral traction on TikTok and YouTube. Oreo often involves celebrities such as Shaquille O'Neal to amplify the reach. Another example is the mini musical video titled Stay Playful, a Broadway-style ad that reinforces Oreo's core values of joy, imagination, and togetherness. Beyond global events, Oreo also engaged with local markets through region-specific activities, from mobile sampling buses, pop-up store, and free ice cream launches, to online contests like the Oreo Moment Photo Challenge. These initiatives not only strengthen brand loyalty but also show that Oreo actively creates joyful moments around the world. As sales representative, this gives us a major advantage. We're not just selling cookies, we're offering people a chance to be part of something playful, emotional, and memorable.
Yes, Oreo's target market is for kids, teens, modern families, and global snack lover. They use demographic, geographic, and psychographic segmentation. Different custom flavor for different countries, and marketing speaks to both nostalgia and modern fun. Oreo is easy to find. The major stores like Innomart and Alfamart and online through their official website. It's always ready when you need to joyful too. One good example of Oreo branding is the first Swing Together ads. With an Olympic theme and wild style jingle, it brings back childhood memories of fun and connection. Their ads always feel nostalgic and heartwarming. Oreo is more than a cookie, it's a global icon, a tradition, and a start of joy. Through innovation, creative marketing, and emotional connection, Oreo continues to stay relevant and loved across generations.
Oreo's advertisements are not just about showcasing a cookie, they tell a story. One of the reasons their ads are so appealing is because they mix playfulness, emotion, and creativity in a way that feels very natural. The music makes the ad feel lighthearted and fun, almost like a mini musical moment. It instantly grabs the audience's ears before even their eyes. It creates a bright, friendly visual style that's pleasant to watch and easy to recognize, even just from a glance. This is especially effective in reaching younger audience like Gen Z and millennials who live on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So, in the end, Oreo is more than just a snack. It's a reminder that even in the busiest days, we can always find joy in the little things, like a cookie, a smile, or a moment shared. We hope this presentation brought you not only information, but a little happiness too. Whether you twist it, lick it, dunk it, or just eat it whole, Oreo brings a simple kind of joy that we all need. Hopefully, this presentation has done the same for you, because sometimes a cookie can make your day. With its timeless taste, creative marketing, and emotional impact, Oreo has proven that even the simplest product can become a global icon. And maybe that's something we can all learn. That joy, when shared, becomes something unforgettable. Honestly, now that we've talked about Oreo this much, don't you feel like craving one right now? Just remember, one Oreo is never enough, but one smile is a great start. Thank you, and may your day be as sweet as cookies and cream.
Thank you so much for your attention. We hope this presentation brought value and joy, just like Oreo does.
Bosen nih.
Nih, sebut kata ajaibnya.
Simsalab.
Diputar, dijilat, dan dicelupin.
Wow.
Selezat Oreo, selembut cake. Oreo Soft Cake baru. Terbuat dari Oreo, selembut cake dengan coklat berlimpah. Oreonya di mana?